All right, welcome back, campers. Today, me and my helper, Forky, are going to do our snack time. So in your bags, in your kits, you should have a little bag that says, wait, don't eat yet. These items should be used for the snack activity this week. So this week, it is Disney week. So we are going to make Minnie Mouse image. Or Mickey Mouse. They both have the same image. So take all of these materials out in your bag, 6 kisses, 1 pack of M&Ms, and your pretzels. Okay? So what we're gonna do is open up our pretzels and lay them out to look like Mickey Mouse, you know, his face and his ears. So that is like a little Mickey Mouse or Minnie. They both have the same image, and you're gonna make 2. So you should have 6 kisses, so you can make 2. If you notice, this is the Disney emblem too that you see. If you've ever been to Disney World, you'll see that there. So now we're gonna take all 6 of our kisses, open them up. Please make sure you're using a plate, and please make sure your hands are clean. You're gonna place 1 kiss on each pretzel. 1 kisses on each pretzel. I know you're like, hey, are they gonna look like this? Nope, they're not gonna look like this. This one is actually gonna be very similar to our Hawaiian skirt that we made with our Rice Krispie treat and our kisses and our box of Nerds. Some of you probably even made a skirt. A shirt. All right. So now you have all 6 kisses. What you need to do is take these items and place it in the microwave for about 20 seconds. If your chocolate hasn't melted after 20 seconds, leave it in the microwave for however long it takes for your chocolate to melt down. It doesn't have to melt all the way, but slightly, because we're gonna smash this down with our M&Ms. Okay, so let's go take this to the microwave. All right, so once you have microwave, you probably wanna get a spork, not sporky, and press down your chocolate, okay? Just mash it down. If it doesn't all lay, that's fine. Okay. Or you can use your M&M and press it down like so. Just make sure it's not too hot. All right, and then lay your chocolate out like so. Our hands may get a little messy, and that's okay. Add some more chocolate to this pretzel. So you have 2 options. Hopefully you have 3 of the same color in your bag. If you don't, it is okay. Make sure it's not too hot. I don't want you to get burned. See what colors I have. Ooh, yay. I have 3 of the same colors. So far I have 1 Mickey Mouse image. It's okay if our plates gets a little dirty once we're finished. We can change this out. Throw this away. Put it on a clean plate. And you can eat all of your leftover chocolate. Right? I know that's a little messy, but that's okay. It's snack time. That's what we do. Okay, so let's just fix it and then put our M&Ms. I'm gonna use 2 greens up here and a yellow down here. And we have our Mickey Mouse head. And then you can eat it after it. After we're finished, you can clean up and you can eat it. See you next time. Enjoy.